Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today guys I will show you how to join Volleyball Legends Discord server. So guys, open roblox.com and search for Volleyball Legends. After that, click on the first result and just wait, click this one, this game. Scroll down, you'll find this community on Discord. Just click join for leagues and wait guys, click accept invite and make sure this is a real server, the original Discord server. Click accept invite and just wait to open Discord server guys, and after that confirm verify you are a human by clicking this icon and click your country if this is on the countries, and this is on Discord. As you see all the features guys, you have invite, giveaway, as you can see here. You can host contests where you can invite your friends onto the Discord server to opportunity to win Roblox gift cards to your chance. This is all rewards guys. I hope guys this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to give like and share this video for more content, and see you on other videos soon guys.